Today I'm going to explain a very good strategy and it is going to make money for sure. It happens every single day. So what you need to do is to wait for a New York session. So this is for Nasdaq, by the way. Wait for New York market open at 9:30 Eastern time and wait until 9:45 and mark the highest and lowest level made in between that level in that time, sorry. And once the price reaches and it breaks and closes above it or below it, you're gonna wait for two levels, 0.75 and 0.5. You can put these levels on your Fibonacci level as well. And once that happens, you're gonna wait for a dodgy candle, a hammer candle to occur with a volume spike like this. And once that happens, you're going to put your entry at the close of the candle below and stop loss just below it. And you can target these levels, this level, or even this level, okay? And once the price reaches 1 to 2 or 1 to 1, you're going to put your stop loss to break even. That is the strategy for the market open. And it's pretty easy to follow every single day. Thank you.